This is a look at the inner solar system, and Earth is going around there, and everything that's in red is an asteroid that potentially crosses Earth's path and is potentially hazardous. So you can see we live in a pretty busy neighborhood. It's not a matter of if. It's absolutely going to happen. It's happened before, and as you've seen from the backside of the moon, and it will absolutely happen again. And so this week we're going to look first at the space policy and law. What happens if one satellite destroys another satellite? What happens if an astronaut goes crazy and kills someone else on the space station? Please don't. Please don't. No. Or, any of that. What happens if a satellite crash lands in a city? So we're going to look a little bit about space policy and the legal regimes of outer space. And then we're going to look at the military and intelligence uses of outer space. Lyndon Johnson famously said that all of the money spent on space was absolutely worth it just for those pictures from behind the Iron Curtain, just to be able to see what was actually happening in the Soviet Union versus the propaganda. And it's true. And then finally, we're going to bring those two things together about policy and military and look at the asteroid hazard specifically as a case study it's a planetary issue, and it's a commons issue, and it's a policy issue, and it requires a scientific and a military solution. And so there's a lot of things at play in this, and it's the only preventable natural disaster if we have the will and funding to do it, which currently we don't. So it should be a fun week, and I hope you learn a lot. If there's any questions, feel free to give me an email or give me a call. Yeah, we'll see you next week.